I crashed my Mavic 2 Pro today. So it's finally SpinUp weekend, and I'm going to make a valid attempt to vlog this entire trip for you guys so you can see every aspect of the entire weekend. But first, I need to head to the airport, and I'm actually really excited about this because this time I am TSA pre-checked, so I get to see if that $80 is actually going to make a difference or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and narrate some of these clips so they make sense. So before SpinUp, last year Kelly had like an event, it was a meet and greet dinner, and he did it again this year and he opened it up to everybody. And that was my downfall. I think I've had way too much to drink at this point, but it was really fun to meet everybody and just this chat and conversate. And then walking back into the hotel, got a big surprise when 400 AGL, who wasn't supposed to be here, showed up, totally caught me off guard. And we had more to drink. I drank a little bit too much. SpinUp day one. I actually forgot my room number, but since you guys are watching this now, it's 306. I had the guy in the front desk verify. I'll tell you that because by the time you see this, I'm already going to be gone. But whew. This is fun. You guys are missing out. If you're watching this and you didn't show up to SpinUp, sort of missing out. We just killed a lot of beer. Oh, well, this is sort of awkward. Hey, Sean.
We were going down.
I mean,
so no drinks left?
No, there's plenty of drinks. No, we can go down. We're going down.
Okay.
I was just joking. We're going back down. If they're not down here for waffles tomorrow, you and I, tomorrow night, we're going to throw each of them out of this hotel. You understand me?
I understand.
All right. Waffles tomorrow, 7 flat. Let's go, Oz.
Waffles.
Waffles, 7 flat. Good morning. It is finally day of SpinUp, and we're going to go downstairs and get some waffles because I love waffles.
I'm unlike you. I record the whole time.
So the morning of the event, we walked over to the Thicket Center, which was actually really nice. It's a Boy Scout meet-in place, and the room that Kelly had reserved was huge. And thankfully enough, he did reserve that room because we had a lot of people. I was actually shocked at how many people were there this year. There was food, there was coffee. It was all very well done, well put together. They gave us all a swag bag, which was pretty cool.
Places, it's just awesome that we have this great community of people who would all be here for this event and who would want to know about drones, but also to meet each other, right? Because you guys all talk online all the time, and for the opportunity to actually get face to face and be able to meet one another in person, it's just awesome. So thank you. Round of applause to all of you. So I want to ask, if you were here last year, will you raise your hand?
So astronaut Scott Parazinski went ahead and kicked off the conference and talked a little bit about fluidity and how it's a better way to fly. Dre Paskert, who is Time Dre, talked to us about how to utilize and leverage social media to be better standouts online. Jim McAndrew from DroneLink showed us how to use autonomous flight to get super smooth cinematic footage. Truly amazing. Then we had journalist Barry Markowitz, who showed us how a drone has enhanced his career in news.
Hey, Kenny boy. Hey, Ken.
We got Mr. Chris Hope.
What's up, buddy?
We got Mr. Steve Carpenter, aka designated
Chris.
driver. Maybe.
To that rule
See,
that
Roosevelt.
much because I mean no one cares.
I
what
care,
I'm doing,
Roosevelt.
You know,
I care.
And I'll if I'm at an event, I'll go.
But it should have had a feature where it would
Vice
return
President of
back
Zeno
home.
Nation.
Thanks, Ken.
Should have had it where
And then got some drones up in there. Some drones. Got the man, the myth, the legend, Jeff Sills. So it's the mid-session update for SpinUp 2019. Had a pretty cool morning, a lot of great speakers. Probably so far my favorite, Drone Link, and then of course Barry, just killing it. Absolutely awesome footage. Makes me want to travel the world. But if you're not here, you could have been watching the live stream. Maybe you did watch the live stream so you can see everything that I'm talking about. And yeah, so good time. We're gonna get back in there, but it's a big turnout this year. Just after lunch, we auctioned off the drone around the world, Sparky, and it went to I Am Wedge. So pretty crazy. It was an online bid. Cool to see, great support from the community. After Sparky, we had Jason Schappert from Remote Pilot 101 laying down some truth about the 107. Always good to see. And then honestly, one of the biggest surprises, Jace McCown from Skyways showing us their incredible drone and technology that they are working on. Definitely look out for his presentation. And then of course, every event needs a strong closer. Sean Oz absolutely knocked his presentation out of the park and excited a group of drone enthusiasts. I had my first crash. All right. Which one's yours, Jenna?
Coming right over the light pole.
Okay.
Right back out.
All right, let's just all make sure we have eyes on our Mavics. Got Mr. Vice or President of Xeno Nation here.
Well, yeah, well.
President of Xeno Nation.
Co-founder.
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 And his co-conspirator.
Here it is. Yeah.
Here I come.
Forwards, backwards,
Okay.
right, left on the roll and the pitch.
Okay.
This is your yaw, and this is the throttle for keeping you in the air.
Okay.
You pull it down, it will fall. You push up, and it'll shoot
So
something.
you just got to find that happy medium.
You got to find the happy medium.
Super subtle
what arms
movements.
it?
Now, this switch here arms it, so if you get in trouble, just flip the switch down.
Okay.
I always fly with my fingers like this.
Oh,
or
you
like
didn't
this,
tell me
or
to
I
do
can
that.
It's okay.
Okay.
So, and you just flip it down, and it'll fall out of the sky.
All right, let's
Okay?
do this.
But just remember, it's very sensitive.
We're just gonna go
You're
gently.
looking to where if you push it forward a little bit,
It's gonna go.
what it does is it's not going to go like this and then
But I tried my hand at the
A
FP.
guy that was in a wheelchair.
Well, he hit me first with the damn RC car. I was just trying to get revenge. We're away from the people now.
All right, so
It's
Doc,
so touchy.
all right, you know what it was? I was still up, so I'm arming it. So this stick here is.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to watch the
this
copter.
is cute.
Okay.
Watch the copter. See how it wants to go around?
And here I go wrecking my Mavic 2 Pro today, doing something entirely stupid. And you know what's so ironic? I'm wearing this I Crashed Things shirt and I wrecked it. So we're out at this baseball field and there's a lot of Mavics. Like everybody's got Mavics. So I don't know what I was thinking, but Kelly brought out this RC car. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna chase the RC car with the Mavic 2 Pro. So I threw my drone into sport mode and I was really super low to the ground, like maybe 2 feet off the ground. And I'm looking at the drone, or what I thought was my drone, and I'm hitting the sticks, and drone's not going anywhere. I'm like, wow, that's weird. Next thing we know, we hear boom, bang. Look over, there's a Mavic 2 Pro on the ground. And everybody's like, yo, Dobo, was that your drone? And I'm looking at the camera, and I'm like, yep, that was my drone. So I gotta say, pretty impressed. Minimal damage. Big thank you to everybody who gave me props, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to fly right now, because it's not like we could walk into a store and buy props. So I damaged 3 out of 4 props. There's no physical damage, some scarring to the drone, some scarring on the camera, so I'll pull this in here so you can see it. So maybe you can see it. There's a little bit of camera scarring on the gimbal, but all in all, no stress cracks, nothing broken. I mean, this thing's a beast. I'm really, really impressed with the Mavic 2 Pro. But you know what? These things are designed to be crashed and thoroughly abused, and really can't be too mad, because at the end of the day, this isn't a toy, this isn't a trophy, this is a tool, and that's just the price you pay to do this. So super fun. We're out here at this gorgeous place called Cow Creek. We're at with Ed Ricker and Sean, you dickhead. Really, dude? That's Sean. And yeah, so it was a good day. We're just doing a bit of flying. We couldn't fly anywhere in Austin really because there was a TFR last night, which bummed me out. The only person that could, you know, actually do really much flying is Ed. Yeah. I thought I lost my Polar Pro ND filters. I got a chance to fly those. Are you serious, dude? You're really distracted. So, but yeah. I'm just really super hyped that this is not totally damaged. I can totally deal with scarring and stuff, but yeah. So we're gonna get back to flying. We're gonna be doing some chasing of some cars. There were some race cars that just came through here and we got to chase them down. But if you ever get a chance to come out to Texas, Cow Creek, super cool place to fly. Slick water crossing, what does that even mean? Texas. We'll see you next time. Stay original.